Yes.
So if you notice, as we know that in last class we have seen, so concentration of a solution we can measure in different ways. So in that last class we studied concentration of a solution, that is what like by mass percentage we all people studied. So in mass percentage, what is the formula? Concentration of a solution is equals to, Mr. Omar, Neha, numericals definitely will come. So concentration of a solution based upon mass, what is that, everybody? Concentration of a solution based upon mass is equals to, what is that? Mass of
Solute.
solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So that is what the formula which we have been done, and we have derived also, or we have solved one example also. Now if you take, suppose if I want to get mass of solution, so mass of solution is a mixture of two things. What is that, guys? Everyone, mass of solution. Mass
Solute and
Mass of solvent and mass of solute.
Yes. Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So in exam, they might be ask you either volume, or maybe they might be ask you either this one, mass of like based upon mass or based upon volume. So whatever it is, you must be able to solve it very clearly. So this is what the things which we learned in the last class. That is what concentration of a solution based upon the mass percentage. Now, today's class we'll see and we'll solve something that is what a volume based percentage. So we have also already solved the one example also related to mass percentage. Yes or no, guys? Now you write the case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent. How to find it? So liquids we can measure in kilogram or liters. Liquids, how we can measure? Liquids we can measure in how, guys?
Liters.
Liters. Understand? That is what we can say volume we can say. So that is why whenever a solid solute is dissolved in solvent, solid solute, we people will measure by mass. Yes or no, Omar? We people will measure by mass. Now, if you'll notice, please keep a case, a liquid solute will dissolve in a liquid solvent. Then how to find the concentration? Please write. The case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent. The case of a liquid solute dissolved in where, Mitakshri? Dissolved in liquid solvent. Then how we can find the concentration? What is the method we'll use now? By mass or by volume?
Volume, sir.
Mass or by volume? Everybody? By volume. Okay. So now you can see if the solution is if the solution is of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, then we can use the volume percentage of solute. What we can use, guys? For a liquid solute, we will use volume percentage of solute. So means we can measure in the form of volume instead of mass. So that is only called as volume percentage of solute. So now in determining the concentration of solution, we can consider how much amount of solute is present in given solution in the form of volume, not in the form of mass. So that is only we used to called as volume based percentage. So if you want to understand this volume based percentage, so let us take example. For example, I will say 20% solution, alcohol. Do you all people know alcohol, Mr. Omar? So let me take, if you'll see that, I'm not saying that you people are, I'm saying, if you'll be notice it, any kind of beer bottle, you might be notice, empty bottle if you'll find, or any kind of alcohol bottle and all. You all people we can find somewhere in our home or something, definitely. So this beer bottle, or you can see, or any kind of thing, I'm saying you. So the beer bottle if you'll take, they used to mention that 9% alcohol. What they'll mention, Mr. Harish? 9% alcohol. So suppose if we'll take like what is the names you people know? Generally, we are speaking, we are studying only, so don't feel bad. So, what is alcohols? If people know names, brand, anybody can tell? Yes, please. Alcohols. For example, do all people know vodka, rum, gin, and all? So, this rum, gin, and all, if you notice it, alcohol percentage is 36 to 38 percentage. How much it is? 36 to 38 percentage. It will be varies in between that, so we cannot it. So let me take for example 36 percentage. Now what do you mean by 36% of alcohol? That is what I want. And anybody? Yes, Mr. Reddy? Anybody? Mitakshri? What do you mean by that? Kaushik?
Sir, it is the concentration level of the solute in the alcohol solution, sir.
Yes, but for how much? For example, for mass, if you take mass based, for example, as I told you, 10% solution in mass. So 10% means how much we have taken for how many grams? Mitakshri, suppose if I'll take 10% by mass. So the concentration of salt solution is for mass, I am saying 10% by mass, I said. So what do you mean by 10% we have been done? Check it. Salt solution.
10 gram solute, sir. 100 gram solvent, sir.
Yes. Solvent or solution. So 10% by mass means 10 grams of salt in 100 grams of solution. Is it yes or no, Mitakshri? So that we can get 100 minus 10, which is equals to 90 grams of solvent. Is it yes, Mr. Harish? Have you done or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So 10% by mass means 100 grams if you have been taken, 100 grams of solution, then in that how many grams of solvent, solute will be there? Mr. Kaushik, Gokul, it will be present. 10 grams of solute will be present. Suppose if I'll say 50% of by mass. What do you mean by 50% by mass? Anybody? If I'll take 100 grams of solution, then how many grams of solute will be present? 50% means
50 grams.
50 grams of solute is present. That is what by mass percentage. Yes or no, Mitakshri? Hari Somar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am asking alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Liquids I am saying. Liquids I am saying. Everybody please respond. I am saying that beer bottle contains 9% of alcohol. What do you mean by that 9% of alcohol? You should tell me. What do you mean by 9% of alcohol? So there I am considering 100 grams. Yes or no, Hari? Mr. Reddy?
Yes, sir.
Now here how much I have to consider? 100 grams or 100 ml?
100 ml.
100 ml of solution if you take. 100 ml of solution.
Sir, volume of solute by volume of solution into
Yes,
100.
I am not asking the formula. I am asking 9% of alcohol. Means that what do you mean by 9% of alcohol? So if I take 100 ml of solution, 100 ml of solution by volume, in that 9 ml of 9 ml by volume, who is present? 9 ml of alcohol. Understanding? Alcohol is present by volume. That is what it is. Do you understand, everyone? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I am saying now 36% of alcohol. So what do you mean by 36% of alcohol? If I'll take 100 ml of solution, in that how many ml of alcohol? 36 ml of alcohol is present. Is it okay, Neha, Harini, Akilan? So that is the meaning of volume. Do you understand, all of you? Write it by volume. Mitakshri, understand that? Right. The concentration of a solution is defined as the concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution is defined as the volume of solute in how many ml of solution? Open your mouth. How many ml of solution? Solute in 100 ml of what, guys?
Solute.
100 ml of the solution. Purima Neha, ml means milliliters. Please remember, milliliters. Is it okay, Johan, Harini? Ready? That is what. But mass, what we can take, Omar? Mass, we can take 100 grams of solution. But volume, we are taking what? 100 ml of solution.
100 ml.
That is what you have to remember. So example, 20% solution of alcohol. What do you mean by 20% solution of alcohol? Everybody should say. Now, 20% solution of
alcohol.
20% solution of alcohol. What do you mean by that? So if we'll take...
Sir, 50 gram of... 50
You should say,
gram
what
of...
do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Means 20 ml of alcohol. Alcohol is present in what?
100 ml of solution.
Yes, alcohol are present in 100 milliliters of solution. 100 ml of solution. Are you clear, everyone? Now, please respond. Yes.
Sir.
Now, what
Yes,
about the
sir.
solvent percentage? What about the solvent?
Yes,
What about the solvent? So, who is the
20, sir,
solvent in
20.
alcohol? Who
80.
is the solvent in alcohol?
80, sir.
Yes.
80.
So this
80.
solution only, so you can see 100 ml of solution. So if we'll take solution is equals to solvent plus solute. Now solution is 100 ml, solvent we don't know, solute is 20 ml. So now what is the solvent? So if we'll take alcohol solution, which is a mixture of water plus alcohol. So solvent is equals to 100 ml minus 20 ml, which is equals to how much ml? 180 ml of water. So if we'll take 20 ml of alcohol, 20% of alcohol means 80 ml of water is present and 20 ml of alcohol is present per every 100 ml. Yes or no, guys? For every 100 ml of solution. Is it okay, everyone? Yes, please. Have you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kaushik. That is what. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ask me. Somebody is asking something. Have you understand, Omar? Johan? Akilan? That is what it is. So, based upon this, if we'll take the percentage, then concentration of a solution is equals to, what is the formula? Everybody should respond. So, concentration of solution is equals to what? Everyone should respond. What is that? Volume of solute divided by, please respond, guys. Volume of solute divided by, what is that?
Volume of solution.
Volume of solution into 100. That's all. Okay. Now, if I want to get volume of solution, then what is that? Volume of solution. You should tell me. Volume of solution is equals to formula. Nobody will ask.
Volume of solute.
Volume of
Divided by-
solute. Others also should respond. Volume of solute, Mr. Wama. Volume of solute plus volume of
Solvent.
solvent. That, very good. So only one word is changing. That's formula, this formula, one word is changing. What is that? Their mass and here volume. So other than that, no other changes is taking place. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. So that is what it is. So write the formula. So volume percentage based upon exam, what they are asking, either they are asking mass percentage or they are asking volume percentage. You have to observe very carefully and you have to proceed. So in this formula, any doubt, anybody, please kindly ask me. Is it any doubt? Yes, please. Now, if you don't have a doubt, please solve this question. Let me see who will solve first. Everybody should answer. Yeah, that's all. All of you should find the answer. Neha, Johan, Gokul, Arun Kailash, Akilan, everybody solve fastly. You have an answer, you have everything in the formula up itself. Yes. Let me see who will solve.
25%.
25%.
25% is
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Very good, everybody. So, what is the given question? A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol. So, mixed with the 150 ml of water. 150 ml of water. So, it is water is a what we used to call as? Water is a what we used to call? Solvent.
Solvent.
This is called as solute. So, by mass percentage, you can take volume of a solution, concentration of a solution. If you take, so what is the concentration of a solution formula? Concentration of solution. If you take, so what is that? Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute, how much? Everyone open your mouth. Volume of
50
solute, 50 ml divided by volume of solution not given in the book. So volume of solution is equals to what? Question is not there. Mr. Gokul, volume of solution is equals to 50 ml plus 150 ml because volume of alcohol plus volume of water, both it is. So which is equals to how much? 250
200 ml.
200 ml. So that is what? So 200 ml into 100. So ml will get cancelled. 50 ones are 54s are. So 4 ones are 4 25s. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Which is equal
Yes, sir.
to concentration of solution alcohol is 25%. How much it is? How much it is?
25%
Percentage by what? By mass or by volume?
volume.
By volume.
By volume. So please write it. That is very, very important. Understand, Mitakshri? Harini? How many times
sir.
you have to do it? Next. Next question you take. Right. Next question. If 2 ml of acetone is present, let me see who will solve here. If 2 ml of acetone is present, if 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of aqueous solution, solution or solvent are given. Solution or solvent?
Solution.
Solution. So let me see who will do it. So already given solution. So is it need to add it again or we don't need to add? We need to add or we don't want to add? Everyone?
Don't need to add, sir.
Yeah, we don't want to add. Make it. If 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml, Mr. Omar, why are you taking this much time? Akilan also. You have to solve fastly. So concentration of solution is equals to 2 ml divided by 45 ml. Why I am taking Mr. Arun here instead of 47? Why I am not adding 45 plus 2? It is wrong. Why? Because already given here what? It is not the solvent. It is given what it is. Already given. It is what? Solution. Understanding? So before question, they have given only solvent and solute. So that is why we have been added for mass of volume of solution. But here, already given the volume of solution, that is what 45 ml into 100. So if we'll make it, so ml will get cancelled. 200 divided by 45, which is equals to how much? Fastly.
4.4.
4.4.
4.4% by what? By volume.
Volume.
Remember, 90% children will stop here, but as you are all, you people will never stop the answer like that. You have to write the statement also, right? Thus, the concentration of the acetone solution is, thus, the concentration of acetone solution, the concentration of acetone solution is 4.4%. 4.4%. Is it okay, everyone? So this is what the statement you have to write it. Okay. So all of you should write like that statement. Understand, everyone? Yes, please respond. All of you.
Yes, sir.
No. All of you should remember. You can see. If you'll go to the industry, basically in our chemistry subject, we'll study volume by volume percentage means V by V. What is that sort of symbol we can represent? What is symbol we can represent? Volume by
V.
volume. So this is what volume by volume percentage means. In exam, even they'll represent V by V. We have to solve in this way. Do you understand, Ra? Yes, please, everyone, all of you.
Yes.
But if you'll go to the industry, remember, when the concentration of solution is expressed as percentage by mass, what is that? Percentage by, please respond. Percentage by mass, or we can say percentage by weight. Percentage by weight. Do you understand, Ra? Percentage of by mass or percentage of weight, it is denoted by, remember, W by W. What is the symbol, Mitakshri? W by W means weight by weight. Weight by weight. What? Either mass or weight. Both weight by weight only. Remember that. Is it okay, guys? Yes. So, till the next chapter in physics, mass and weight both have been used same. Understand, till here it has been expressed in the same sense. Same sense we are using. That is why by percentage by mass or percentage by weight will represent by weight, W by W. And volume, how we can represent, Mr. Omar? The V by V. Do you understand, Ra? Yes, please. So when we can see the any kind of bottles and all, like tonic bottle, you all people know milk of magnesia. I taught you milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a mixture which we can use for antacid, for acidity. If your stomach is acidity, we'll drink the milk of magnesia. Like pink color solution. Do you know that, guys? Yes or no? Please answer. So this milk of magnesia, if we'll take, it is a mixture of magnesium hydroxide and water. So next time if you'll buy this water, Dyson and all, will you know Dyson and all? Yes, Mr. Please respond. So Dyson bottle and all, in this bottle, normally not only that bottle, any kind of bottle, they is to represent the concentration of the solution either by V by V, or it is represented by what? W by W. Okay, everyone? So you have to verify what is the concentration in that. Now, if you want, you can see the alcohol bottles and you can notice it will be definitely represented with a weight by weight. So if we'll take, for example, milk of magnesia, if we'll take, which is a digestion mixture, as I told you, antacid we can use. So if you'll notice, they made contains approximately 8% of W by W of magnesium hydroxide. How much percentage is present? 8% of W by W means weight by weight or volume by volume? Weight by weight or volume by volume. So 8% W by W of magnesium hydroxide is present. Remaining who is present? Water is present. Nima, that is what. Understand, Mr. Gokul? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what is mass percentage and volume percentage. Any doubt, please kindly ask me. Are you clear, guys? Yes. Everyone else, please note it down, whatever it is. So you can even put in Google and you can see all percentage. You can see it is used to represent alcohol and all. So you can notice, I will show you alcohol bottles. So they'll represent in volume by volume percentage. I will show you that. If you take any real brands and all, it is used to be represented in a volume by volume percentage. I want to show you that. Yeah. So I will show you one picture. So just for your purpose, your clarity. Next time if you notice somewhere, you can see that. Have you noticed this bottle? They have written, see here. What is they have written? What is they have written? 40%. 40% what they have written? You see here. 40% what they have written? Volume. Do you notice that? Means in the sense of in that what is the present? How much alcohol is present for every ml, for every 100 ml? Who is present? 40 ml alcohol is present. That is what you have to remember. Okay. So this is what you can see. So pure purchasing whiskey. Whiskey is one of the famous brand you can see. And actually purchasing 60% of water. See, like, have you mentioned there? They mentioned V by V. Mitakshri, can you able to see here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Approximately 42.8% V by V. That is what alcohol. Remaining everything is present what? Is present water. Okay. So if you'll see normal water bottles, normal beer bottles and all. So they used to mention here. You can see here by volume, how much percentage? It is visible. You can tell me 16%. Have you noticed it? As I told you, actually it is strong beer bottle, it is 16%. Normal one, it will be 9% to 10% will be there. So that is what you can see here. 60% alcohol by volume. So that is what it is mentioned. So like this, all the liquids they used to be mentioned by V by V when liquid solute is dissolved in liquid solvent. But they will be mentioned by solid. If mass is solute is dissolved, then it is, we can say it is what? All of you, mass by mass or W by W they used to mention. Any doubt? Anybody please ask me. Yes? All of you. Any doubt? Please respond, guys. So this is what about it, what is mass percentage and volume percentage. Clear? Gokul, Akilan? Now, if you'll understand this one, then the most important concept which we are going to study, that is what it is, saturated and unsaturated solution. What we used to call? Saturated and unsaturated solution. From these questions will definitely will come. Saturated and unsaturated solution. So please write it. Shall we start now? Saturated and unsaturated solution. So observe very carefully. When we dissolve a solute in a solvent, what will form? When we dissolve solute in a solvent, what will form?
Solution.
Please respond, guys. What it will form? It will form
Solution.
it will form solution. So we all people knows that. Now this solution only here I am saying saturated and unsaturated solution. That is what I am saying. Now my question is, for example, I have given you 100 ml of water. How many ml of water? Everybody? 100 ml of water and another also 100 ml of water. Let me take, this is I have given to Harini, this is I have given to Mitakshri, and this is I have given to Neha. So 3 members are there. Everybody I have given 100 ml of what? 100 ml of what? Water. Now tell me, one person I have given salt, another person I have given sugar, another person I have given something glucose. Now is it all the persons for 100 ml of water at room temperature? At what temperature, ready? At room temperature. Is it everybody can dissolve same amount of solvent? Solute. That is what my question. Is it sugar and salt and glucose? Is it all 3 will dissolve in the same amount or different quantities? That is what I want. Yes, please. At room temperature. Yes? Nobody will answer. Yes, please. Respond, guys. All of you. Is it same amount or different amount or not? I already taught you one. Sugar, if you take salt at room temperature, how much amount it will soluble at 20 degrees Celsius, for example. I will take sodium chloride, 36 grams maximum you can dissolve. How much you can dissolve? How much you can dissolve? 36 grams. Understand? So that is what I can say. Suppose if you take sugar, you can dissolve 204 grams. You can take another salt, another. Is it all the solutes will dissolve same amount or different amounts? That is what my question. Everybody.
Different amounts, sir.
Different amount. Yes or no? That is what. So when we can dissolve different amounts of solute in the same quantity of solvent, So we may get many solutions having different concentrations. Yes or no, Mitakshri? So different amount of solution, different solvent, different concentration. Yes or no? Please respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If more solute is dissolved, more high concentration or low concentration, more solute will dissolve. High concentration or low concentration?
High concentration.
High concentration. Less solute will dissolve. High concentration or low concentration?
Low
Less.
concentration.
Low concentration. So a particular solution may contains less amount of the dissolved solute, or another solution may contains more amount of solute in it. So when we are prepare many salt solutions of different concentration by dissolving different amount of salt in the same quantity of water. Do you understand? For example, I will take everybody have given 100 ml of water, 100 ml of water, 100 ml of water. Now, Mitakshri will dissolve 10 grams of sugar. Next, Harini will dissolve 20 grams of sugar. Neha will dissolve 30 grams of sugar. Now, is it all the concentration is same or different, Mr. Akilan?
Different, sir.
Different. Understanding?
Different, sir.
Different. Have you noticed it? Even though the amount of solvent is same, but by amount of solute, by how much amount of solute is dissolved, based upon that, the solution concentration is changing or not. That is what I want. Everyone, is changing or not? Respond, everyone. Yes or no?
Changing.
Changing. That is what it is, we can say. So we can prepare different concentration of solutions by dissolving, understanding, different amount of solute in same amount of solution. Is it yes or no? Same amount of solution. Yes or no, guys? Same amount of solute. Sorry, solvent. So if you'll notice, we can prepare many kind of solutions. Like suppose if we'll take salt solutions, different concentration of salt solutions by dissolving different amount of salt in the same quantity of water. So based upon, depending upon the amount of solute present, the solutions can be classified into two groups. Based upon what amount? Based on amount of solute present in solution. So solutions can be classified into how many types, guys? Everyone. Solutions can be classified into two types. Understand? So solutions can be classified into two types. So that is only we can say saturated and unsaturated solutions. What is that? Saturated and unsaturated solution. So please write it. Today we'll study only saturated solution, and next class we'll study unsaturated solutions. Okay, everyone, are you clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So let us discuss a little bit more clear. You people can understand what do you mean by saturated solutions. You can notice it. A solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved without rising its temperature. Understand? So these all the things, what temperature we have to take care, Mitakshri? All the things at room temperature. What temperature? Room temperature. You have to remember that. Room temperature. So temperature should not rise. Why temperature will rises? What will happen? Anybody can tell? Temperature rises, what will happen? Temperature rises, what will happen? More solute will dissolve. Do you understand, everybody? Temperature rises, what will happen? More solute will dissolve. And some solutions, less solute will dissolve. That is why temperature is always a factor. Temperature should not vary. Understand, Harish? Temperature must be constant. Is it okay? Everyone, please respond. Temperature
Yes,
must be constant at constant temperature. So, saturated solution means, yes, please. Ask. Please, right. A solution in which more quantity of solute, more quantity more quantity of solute can be dissolved without rising its temperature. Without rising its temperature. Understand, Omar? Without rising its temperature is very, very important. Understand, Reddy, Akilan? Without this word, it is not, it is. Without rising its temperature is called not saturated, sorry, unsaturated solution. Is not saturated, unsaturated solution. Without rising its temperature, if any more quantity of solute is dissolved, then that is called as unsaturated solution. Is called as unsaturated. Is called as unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Is it okay, everyone? Yes, please. All of you. Unsaturated solution. So, example, you can take aqueous solution of salt. Example, you can take aqueous state. What do you mean by aqueous state? As I told you, aqueous solution of salt. If you take, what do you mean by aqueous state? When any kind of solute will dissolve in water, then what is to call? It is called as any solution is prepared by water. Do you understanding? If water is a solvent, then that solution is called as what? Ready? That solution is called as aqueous solution. Please remember, if it is water, other than water, if any other solvent, then what is to call? Non-aqueous solution. Okay, that is what, right? An aqueous solution of salt, more of salt can be dissolved without rising its temperature. An aqueous solution of salt, more amount of salt can be dissolved without rising its temperature. Do you understand, Ra? Without rising its temperature, then this salt solution will be what solution? Saturated or unsaturated? Then the salt solution is called as what? Salt solution is called as, what is to call? Unsaturated solution. What is to call? Please respond.
Unsaturated.
Solution. Okay, so that is what you have to remember. So if you take an unsaturated solution contains lesser amount of solute or maximum amount of solute. Lesser or more?
Maximum amount.
No, maximum can increases, but actually what will contains? Actually what it contains? Actually it contains lesser amount of solute than maximum amount of solute, which can be dissolved in that particular temperature. In it at that particular temperature. Understand, Mitakshari? Actually we can dissolve, for example, actually we can dissolve maximum 36 grams of salt, understanding, in 100 grams of water. How many grams of water? 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. At what temperature? At room temperature. Understand, Mitakshari? But it is keep on increasing without changing temperature.